91 octane on a custom map, and my custom map for him, we made 335 wheel horsepower, 358 foot-pounds of torque. This is with a J-pipe, so 91 octane, pretty solid power. These other two maps were before the adjustments. So get the adjustments, and we made an additional 25 wheel horsepower and about 30 to 40 wheel torque with the custom mapping. So pretty happy with this. And then just looking at this map on 91 compared to what we can probably do on E30, I think with the same setup I'll be able to cross that 400 wheel torque line, which I'm pretty excited about. If anybody is interested in getting dialed in, just let me know, and I can help you out and get you started on that process.